So Yuppster and Matty here, representing Spin Club, and we're going to do an interesting gun review today. And
Si, senor.
pretty much, Matt's going to do most of the review, but I'm going to be spectating him because he's using a thing called the Suhreen shotgun. I think it is. Is that right?
Yeah, it's the Suhreen shotgun.
Okay. So he's dressed like a total noob right now, and just in the
Because
essence
that's
of
who I am.
being,
I am the noob.
in the essence of being funny, is actually replicating another user who's actually on the server. So you can see it right here. The Suhreen shotgun, you can tell because it has a really green glow. It fires really, really fast. All right, come on, dude, go destroy some stuff. There it is.
It kills normal zombies in one hit like that. Pretty much annihilates them.
Yeah.
It kills all the low zombies except for like the phantom zombies and the phantom skeletons. And pretty much those, it's like 2 to 3 hits. But everything else, it just annihilates.
Look at that. I mean, that was, what, 2 seconds?
But then these down here, it'll take a little bit. It still annihilates them.
Yeah. I mean, this is just ridiculous. And actually, he's not even the only person in the server who's using this gun.
No, we're going to expose this big noob right here. Look at this kid right here.
Oh, wait.
This big noob right here. With
Adam? I like Adam.
Yeah,
Wait. Player zombie behind you. Player zombie. Get him.
It destroys player zombies in one hit.
It does. And I love the Lightspeed Coil. Is that what it's called? The Lightspeed Coil?
Yes, it's Lightspeed Coil. It makes you run like you're wave 200 on wave 1.
I love it. That's fantastic.
See, these zombies, it'll take a few. The Amethyst zombie, it took 2 hits.
Oh, a whole 2 hits. Okay. How about the Obsidian? Oh, and he's gone. And he's gone.
Obsidian zombie, it took about 3 to 4. 3 to 5.
Oh, you got a player zombie in one hit. I heard him move.
Phantom Brute, let's see how many times it takes to kill Phantom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. They keep getting in the way.
I know, they keep getting in the way. It's kind of, so 7 hits. That's not bad. All right, so as far as power goes, how would you compare this to, say, the Reaper?
Jesus, Reaper kills small normal zombies, like these ones over here, 1 hit, just like this one does. And kills skeletons in 1 to 2 hits. And everything else, 3 to 8 to 10 hits.
Yeah.
But this gun just annihilates. It puts it to shame, really. It's on the power scale. I guess the Reaper would be like a 6.5 to 7, but the Suhreen shotgun would be like a 90, 95.
Oh my gosh! Wow. All right. That's insane.
Reaper is a basic gun, I guess. Now it's considered a basic gun to me now.
So in other words, this shotgun, you would say, definitely outweighs anything that is readily available within Zombie Rush, which is probably why this gun is not available, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! You just took out a phantom, or like a brute, just walking by, just. Nope,
you should see me in the forest when I get like really going. Like today, you should have been there.
This is fun to watch. Actually, this is.
Let me take out the smalls.
And wait for it. And it dead. Okay, good. All right. Well, so then. Like I said, so on your scale of 1 to 10, you're giving this one a 90 on a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Look at this noob exposing another noob. He's got the Lightspeed Coil as well.
Oh, does he? Wait, who is that?
It's Jamar. I can't say.
Okay.
Just say Jamar.
All
but
right.
He's got the. I wonder if he has the Suhreen shotgun too.
Oh, poor, you wrecked that noob, dude. That was awesome. Poor player zombie spawns, he's like, oops, wrong spot. All right, so I think this pretty much concludes our review of the Suhreen shotgun. And
Indeed.
Stay tuned for other weapons here very shortly. All right.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yes.
Alright, shout out to Coolcart 007. Shout out to 21 Savage, whatever you say his name. And shout out to Trisha or Raspberry Cat.
Nice. Which, by the way, I got to give mad props to Raspberry, because in my last Hummingbirds video, she was the only one who actually made it up there with me.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Yuppster signing off.
You're all new.